So, today is August 11 and first day of school. My schedule for this semester is like very late now, and it was start like my Monday schedule is 6 p.m. you start and then 9 p.m. So anyway, I'm going to school now. I'm ready na. And then, maaga ako ngayon, 2:38 pa lang. Pero, kakain kasi ako kay, sa karinderya. Para hindi ako magutom mamaya. Yeah. Anyway.
Cafe kasi makita yung space. So, nag-take out na lang kami. At yung special guest ko for this mukbang. Si May. Oh, so this is matcha latte with barangay ham na atas. This is my order. And minsan yung show ko daw. Sa kanya is tiramisu. At yung cake. And then this one's cake. So, supposed to be ang eme ng cafe like this. They will serve you with this cake on top of your drink. So, yun yung pinaka-selling point nila. And it cost us 269, no? 269 each. So, parang 500 kani something. 500 plus. Yeah, isa. Yeah, 538. Yeah, 538. So, tignan natin. May birthday tayo. For a small shop, this one is very good now. Attention to detail. Since performative girl ako, nag-matcha.
What a word.
What a word. Word of the day. Well, hindi lang men ang performative. Babae.
Oo.
Ay, baka mabash ako doon.
Cut.
Cherish. Okay, yung drink muna i-test natin. I've noticed na
Ay, may kwento niya.
Uy, hindi. Iba. Hindi ko naman yun yan. Dahil mamaya ko na nasa pinilang eme ako. Pero yun na nga. Habang nag-order ako, na-notice ko na wini-whisk talaga nila yung matcha nila. Siguro ceremonial grade din yung gamit nilang matcha. Kaya masarap siya. What about you, May? Masarap? Oo. Tingin ako. Then. Ay, kampi siya!
Nasa talagang damo.
Uy, ang sarap ko yun!
Lasang damo, hindi ko taste. Lasang damo. Alam mo yung naaamoy mo yung damo, pero nalasahan mo na siya ngayon. Ganun siya.
Basher kami, Uy, so, ilalagay na namin yung diba? Very nice pa.
Ilalagay mo sa taas?
Oo. I'll try it with It smells nice. Sarap. So, it's supposed to be
today is Thursday and yung klase ko ngayon is business law lang. So, wait. I wasn't able to bring my grade with me. Pero, on the way na rin ako sa school kasi ang class ko is 4:30 and now it's 12 something. Let me check. 12:34. So, let's go to school na. And wait, what outfit check out? Sige. This is a thrifted t-shirt. And this, what's the gift actually? Tagal na eh, so I don't remember. And then this one is Anta sneakers with section socks. Anyway, let's go to school. May class ako sa law. Yun pala, holiday ngayon. So, walang pasok. Ano ko na lang siya, na-realize ko na lang na nasa school na.